Hello kids! I am Teacher G. Welcome to our English class. Are you ready? Come on, let's start! In today's lesson, you will learn degrees of adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe a noun or pronoun. Observe the pictures below. A tennis ball, a soccer ball, a basketball. Answer the following questions by choosing the adjective big, bigger, biggest. Number 1. What adjective describes the tennis ball? Number 2. What adjective describes the soccer ball? Number 3. What adjective describes the basketball? If your answers are the same with the sentences written below, you got them right. Number 1. The tennis ball is big. Number 2. The soccer ball is bigger than the tennis ball. Number 3. The basketball is the biggest ball among the 3 balls. The adjectives used are big, bigger, biggest. The 3 degrees of adjectives. First, positive degree describes a noun or a pronoun with no comparison. Big is a sample word in a positive degree of adjective. Example, the car is big. Second, comparative degree describes 2 nouns or pronouns. ER is added to adjectives when comparing 2 nouns or pronouns. Bigger is a sample word in a comparative degree of adjective. Example, the van is bigger than the car. Third, superlative degree describes 3 or more nouns and pronouns. EST is added to adjectives when comparing 3 or more nouns or pronouns. Biggest is a sample word in a superlative degree of adjective. Example, the bus is the biggest among the 3. Did you understand? Another example, long, longer, longest. Red shirt is long. Black shirt is longer than red shirt. Blue shirt is the longest of the 3. The adjectives are long, longer, longest. Did you understand? Get a paper and a pencil. Write down your answers. Direction. Apply the degrees of adjectives by filling up the table with the correct answer. The adjectives are small, bright, light, dark, short. You are given 5 minutes to answer this activity. you done? Let's check your answers. Number 1. Small, smaller, smallest. Number 2. Bright, brighter, brightest. Number 3. Light, lighter, lightest. Number 4. Dark, darker, darkest. Number 5. Short, shorter, shortest. How many points did you get? If you got a perfect score of 5, here is your reward. 5 stars! Activity 2. Direction. Write on the blank the ER or EST forms of the given adjectives. Look at the pictures. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Now, let's check your answers. The correct answer for number 1 is younger. Number 2, the correct answer is oldest. Number 3, the correct answer is shorter. Number 4, the correct answer is fastest. Number 5, the correct answer is stouter. How many points did you get? If you got a perfect score of 5, here is your reward. 5 stars! What you have learned? Do you now understand the differences between a positive, comparative, and superlative degree of adjectives? Complete the sentences below to check if you truly understand the new concept we have learned. What is your idea about each degree of adjective? Write your answers in the blanks. Number 1. Small is an example of blank degree of adjective. Number 2. Smaller is an example of blank degree of adjective. Number 3. Smallest is an example of blank degree of adjective. The correct answer is small is an example of positive degree of adjective. Smaller is an example of comparative degree of adjective. Smallest is an example of superlative degree of adjective. You are almost in the finish line of our lesson. Congratulations! You now have a clear understanding on the different degrees of adjectives that we can use in making up sentences. Get a paper and a pencil. Write down your answers. Direction. Read each item and identify if the underlined adjective is in positive, comparative, or superlative degree of comparison. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. My mother got angry when my sister answers her back. My mother got angry when my sister answers her back. A. Positive. B. Comparative. C. Superlative. Number 2. Our teacher is the tallest of all. Our teacher is the tallest of all. A. Positive, B. Comparative, C. Superlative. Number 3. My new poster is larger than her poster. My new poster is larger than her poster. A. Positive, B. Comparative, C. Superlative. Number 4. I am happy when my parents surprised me. I am happy when my parents surprised me. A. Positive, B. Comparative, C. Superlative. Number 5. Sun is the brightest star. Sun is the brightest star. A. Positive, B. Comparative, C. Superlative. Let's check your answers. The correct answer for number 1 is A. Positive. Number 2, C. Superlative. Number 3, B. Comparative. Number 4, A. Positive. Number 5, C. Superlative. How many points did you get? If you got a perfect score of 5, here is your reward. 5 stars! For your additional activity, write at least 3 sentences using the adjectives from the box below. Shortest, fat, heavier. You are given 5 minutes to do this. That's all, kids. See you in the next lesson. Bye.